In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can live stream on Twitch using your phone. First, make sure that you have created an account on Twitch. Next, customize your channel by modifying profile photo and bio. Tap the profile button at the top left corner, then select My Channel, then tap Edit Profile at the top. Next, edit your information to your liking. Now once you have that, go back to Main tab of Twitch, then tap the Create button at the top. It will switch you to Creator mode. In here, tap the Go Live button below, then select what stream that you want. For now, let's just choose Stream Games. Next, select the game that you want to stream, for example, Mobile Legends. Tap Next below to continue. Enter your stream title, and if you want to edit your stream info, simply tap it. Next, adjust the stream volume to your liking. Once you have finished all of that, tap the purple button below to live stream, then tap to start broadcast to go live, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.